Just because an animal can run doesn't mean it can hide from a predator with super hearing. The great gray owl lives in the Arctic. To hunt, it listens for movements far below to identify its favorite prey, mice and other tiny rodents. The feather that surrounds each eye acts like a dish antenna, directing sound to the ears. It focuses on unsuspecting prey as much as 2 feet beneath the snow. And sets off on the attack. He continues to listen throughout the approach. Super hearing will ensure this owl a full stomach tonight. However, the task does not appear to be over yet. What about a predator with unparalleled vision, observing the entire catch process? Will he remain idle? I don't think so. This time, the owl's mission was a failure. As dusk turns to dark, the roles will be reversed. Unlike eagles, owls have the ability to see better in the dark. Additionally, eagles and falcons sleep at night, whereas owls remain awake and ready to pursue prey. This owl lands on one of the falcon's balcony and kidnaps one of the kids. The mother is shocked, but doesn't chase the owl. The owl hits the nest a second time. But this time, the mother falcon chases it out of the nest, protecting the only youngster left. Two American bald eagles are nesting in a tree on a farm when a great horned owl pays them a visit in the middle of the night and attacks them while they are sleeping, knocking one of them out of the nest. But I haven't yet told you about the third participant in these bird wars, a crow. Crows behave with owls about the same way hyenas do with lions. But they don't usually cross paths. But if that happens, a sleeping owl during the